Do you know him?
No, I don't know him. He got like 2 grills in his mouth. He got on all black and stuff.
What's up, bro?
What's up? I got confused. I know the girl.
Okay, when you're done going pee, come talk to me.
Yeah, bring your ass out. Now you knew what the f you was doing. That's nasty. He's looking at me through the stall while I'm trying to pee.
He came out of there. I saw him.
And then he's licking his lips like I literally looked through the f***ing door. He's licking his f***ing lips
Will you
at
wait
me.
over here for a second so I can get your ID in a sec? Let's go over here. You got any weapons on you? No? Are you holding your pants up? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
It's not funny.
Hey, I'll grab.
It's not funny. See, when I slap him.
No, stop.
See,
Please
when I
stop.
slap him, I'm gonna be wrong,
Stop.
right?
Hey,
Y'all crazy.
That's nasty.
just
He
relax.
violated my
I understand.
privacy.
I'll be with you in a moment. Just please hang out for a second. Let's go.
Shut the fuck
All right,
up.
we won't
I
be cussed.
really
Drop
like
your stuff.
that. I'm not from here.
Drop your stuff.
I really like that.
Drop your stuff.
We've obtained the surveillance footage that clearly reveals what really happened at the time.
We'll come back for your stuff, all right?
Did I go home?
No, not yet. I'm going over here to talk for a sec. You got ID on you or anything, boss? Are you living on the streets right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Have I talked to you before? I swear I have. I recognize the tattoo. You think you're going to jail?
What do we got?
Let me read your rights real quick while you're in handcuffs. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. Do you understand the rights I've explained to you today? Yes? So you told me you were confused about which bathroom was which?
Yes.
Well, then why, when she came out, you were licking her lips and making statements about it?
No, I didn't know when it came out. When I went about to see if it was girls or boys, I was like, nah, I saw that. I did accusation.
So you looked through the stall door to see a girl was in there?
Yeah, see the girls, that's it, sir.
And then you went into the men's bathroom,
Yes.
and that's when you were taking a leak?
Yeah, I just walked in, saw the background.
You just walked into the female bathroom?
Yes.
That's it? There was no intent? I'm pretty sure you can see there's a female sign on the outside of the women's bathroom, right?
Hey, Marcellus.
Yeah.
You remember me from Sunday?
Yes.
Yeah, remember what we talked about?
No, he said forever, so I can get
You don't remember me handing you a trespass form
I said forever.
and trespassing you from this property?
Forever, so I can get
You what?
He said forever.
I told you you couldn't come back here ever again, correct? And why are you in the building?
I think it's a year or two.
You thought it was a year or two?
You just said I told you it was forever.
You're not
Even
here.
if it's for a year and it was last Thursday, then
Trying to get
Is there a victim in there?
she's in there. She had to go to the bathroom. She got freaked out, and
You want me to go talk with her real quick?
she's a black female. She's got a gray shirt, gray leggings on. I told her to wait by the customer service.
Perfect. You're being audio video recorded. Can you guys hop out and talk to me? One second. Can we get him in a car? You have the victims here.
Come over here.
Just give us a second.
You got 2 pairs of pants on?
Let's walk up against the car here.
You said last Tuesday.
I think it was Sunday.
And I know your Gatorade and chips are in there. I'll go grab them. Where'd you get all this stuff? The store?
Steal it.
No, I bought it.
Which store?
Yeah, they still.
That's our victim. Which store, Marcellus? Which store did you buy it from?
I got with the HS.
ESHS.
Ma'am, I'm gonna come talk to you here in a second. We're just gonna get him in the car and then I'll come chat with you. Just so you know you're being audio video recorded.
What's with the red bandana? You what?
Let's separate the victims once we're done and talk to them separately. Marcellus, take a seat. I can chat with the black female if you want to talk with the other, I don't know their ages, if they're over 15 or what. Ma'am, would you come over here and chat with me?
Whoa.
No, she wasn't in there involved or witness. She just came and asked we're okay, but I said, no, my girls are shooken up. She was in there with them. She's 17 and 16 and a half.
I just want this to be separate away from them, and I don't want you guys to be hearing each other's conversations. So like I said, you're being audio and video recorded. Explain to me what happened in the bathroom.
it was just quick. When I walked in, I went straight to the restroom. I had no clue he was even following behind me. And I got in the stall and I was about ready to pull down my pants. And I didn't even notice he was peeking through the little slit. And then I thought it was just someone just waiting on their turn. And then I seen eyes and I seen him licking his lips. So then I opened the bathroom, the door, and I said, "What are you doing?" And he just kept licking his lips. He just wasn't saying anything. And then that's when I just walked out with him. And then
He followed you out? Okay.
And then I just told the first person that I saw, and I was like, he walked in the bathroom with me, and I think one lady was like, "I saw him go in the girls' bathroom." I'm like,
Okay. And just to be clear, this is the person we have detained in the
yes,
back.
he got the 2 things in his teeth. Yeah.
Okay.
And it freaked her out, and that's why she started screaming. And I'm like, what the fuck?
They were in the bathroom?
Yes.
But you weren't in there?
No,
Okay.
I was in checkout, but
Okay.
these are my minor daughters.
Let me get my notes real quick.
And so, when he was looking through the gap in the door in the bathroom stall, did you have the door locked?
Yeah, the door was locked.
Okay. And I know you were talking about getting ready to pull your pants down. At any point, were you exposed, and did he see you?
Not all the way. I was halfway, and then I realized,
Do you
wait,
think you
those
could-
are eyes.
So you were partially exposed both ways.
But not all the way, the
Okay.
whole thing.
Do you think his intent of watching you through the bathroom was for sexual gratification?
Oh, of course, he was licking his lips. He was sucking the bottom of his lip. He kept doing it.
He did that after I detained him to her.
Do you have your ID on you?
How long is this going to take? Because I want to go home.
Well, we should be done here in a second.
Okay. Basically, he came in there, looked through the stalls, and then left.
I heard her, what the hell are you doing looking at us? And she said that he was licking his lips and everything. And another lady, a worker in there goes, oh, he's in and out of here all the time.
We know who
Yeah.
he is. We dealt with him.
I know she was really upset.
One more second. I'll be right back.
Did he touch you in any way?
Hell nah. He would never do that.
Did he say anything to you?
He only said something when this officer was arresting him, and then he was like, and that's why you're a hoe or something like that. And I don't know all that he was saying. But is he recording too?
He is.
Then you'll know what he said.
And I know you're super upset, and that's totally understandable. Sorry, mosquito eater. Don't worry about that guy. They're the friendly ones. Are you interested in some resources for counseling, that sort of thing?
No.
I hear you. Again, I'm very sorry that happened. He is going to go to jail.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you think I should know about what happened today?
No, that was it.
How long, when he came into the bathroom and then you exited, did he get arrested by the deputy?
It was almost instantly. When I asked, the first cashier that I seen, I said, hey, he's looking at me through the stall. And then the guy, I guess he was looking around for security. And then I was like, can you get someone? And then that's when he tried to run. He ran into the men's bathroom, and then that's when that officer he was quick as hell.
Good. I don't have any other questions for you, so you're free to go. I'm really sorry that happened to you. He's going to go to jail. You have a better day.
Thank you.
Do you want a case number or anything? A prosecutor's office is probably going to call you regarding a charging decision. You might receive something in the mail as well. So let me go get that case number for you real quick.
They said they were both in the stalls, and he came in and looked through there, then heard her scream and say, get the out of here. He was doing his licking thing.
You can have them do a handwritten statement, but I would interview them yourself.
Okay. They told me everything.
They already did. She was partially exposed when he was looking at her, so definitely voyeurism and bird.
Because he was already trespassed?
Yeah. Okay, there's the case number, and that's my card if you have any questions.
Thank
All right,
you.
be safe. Ma'am, are you with them?
Those are my daughters.
They was in the bathroom too.
Sure, and we're going to interview them. I prefer witnesses not talk to each other.
No, that's
Okay,
fine.
so
but I just want to get her contact because she was really upset. And
I understand that. You let the police handle it, and we'll,
Yeah,
we'll
that's
deal with
fine.
contacting her. I don't want witnesses talking together, right, for
Oh, yeah,
a potential
yeah.
criminal case. So, thank you.
I have a uncomfortable, odd question. When he came in and looked at the stall, were you guys exposed at all? Both of you? Do you want me to have him do these?
What's that?
I already interviewed them, but
I wouldn't bother if you have it on tape.
he's a detective sergeant. He does all these interviews. I'm just going to give you the case number with my name and badge number on it for now. Don't be surprised if you guys get mail or a call from a prosecutor about this because he's already been trespassed from here. So since he committed a crime, it's felony. So we're going to take him to jail, and then I'm assuming a detective or a prosecutor might reach out to you guys. Did he lick his lips at all? Because the other girl's saying, cool. That's all I have for now.
Hello?
Detective Crawford, just so I have my camera on, being audio and video recorded again. Hey, quick question for you. I know I saw you filming outside here. It sounds like you filmed some things inside as well. Are you able to send us that video if I send you a link?
Yeah,
Okay, perfect.
and I do want to warn you, I did threaten that dude. I threatened to slap him, but I didn't, so I'm just letting you know.
That is understandable. So, okay.
Because I've never in my life had that happen to me. So I really came to Walmart to get some dinner, and now I'm not even hungry. I just want to go lay down.
I hear you. Again, I'm very sorry that happened to you, and we'll do everything we can.
Yes, sir. When I get home, I'll try to send that to you.
I'll send it to you here shortly. Thank you.
All right, bye.
Surveillance video shows the victim entering Walmart. Moments later, the suspect walks in, scanning the store until he spots her and begins to follow. Another camera captures the victim heading toward the restrooms with the suspect trailing behind, far enough not to draw attention, but close enough to keep her in sight. The victim enters the women's restroom, and roughly 5 seconds later, the suspect goes in as well. Soon after, he emerges, followed by the victim, who can be seen pointing toward him. The suspect quickly ducks into the men's restroom as the victim alerts Walmart staff about his behavior inside the stalls. We commend the courage of the victims who spoke up and defended themselves. The suspect now faces charges of burglary, having re-entered a location he was previously banned from, as well as 3 counts of voyeurism. As always, he is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in court. Incidents like this are not isolated. They point to deeper cracks in our society. What may start as a small act of peeping can turn into a lifelong stigma, one that follows offenders on job applications and into every neighborhood they move to. Under the law, voyeurism is no minor matter. In most states, it rises to the level of a gross misdemeanor or even a felony, depending on prior history. Even more troubling was the suspect's reaction, smiling, taunting, seemingly pleased at causing discomfort. This behavior reflects something darker, a sickness that may have been present for years. In this case, multiple victims, including teens, were involved. For officers, cases like these test your resolve. You're not confronting an armed suspect, but you are dealing with someone who treats women's privacy and public trust as a game. It's a stark reminder that there are disturbed individuals quietly moving among us. Stay aware, protect your safety, and always watch your surroundings.